Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that for all our confidence in science, for all our maps and measurements, we still have no idea what truly drifts above us. Tonight, I want you to follow me into a place where documented reality blurs with the unknown, where sightings, testimonies, hidden files, and ancient mysteries all converge into one unsettling possibility. We may not be alone, and perhaps we never were. When people talk about the first UFO sighting, they often start in 1947, when Kenneth Arnold reported seeing 9 strange, fast-moving objects near Mount Rainier. Newspapers coined the term flying saucer, and history took note. But the truth is much older. Long before Arnold, people described luminous discs in ancient Rome, fiery shields over the Aegean Sea, metal birds in medieval Japan. Even Aboriginal stories on this very continent speak of sky beings descending in glowing craft, long before any modern nation existed. The first UFO sighting isn't written in any modern archive. It's whispered across cultures, hidden in mythologies that somehow all share the same shape. Lights in the sky that move with intelligence. And that's where the first question emerges. If all these civilizations, separated by oceans and centuries, saw the same thing, what exactly were they seeing? Weather, imagination, or visitors? Think about this. Every major shift in human history has been mirrored by strange appearances in the sky. Ancient wars, great migrations, technological revolutions, moments of human change, moments of strange lights watching from above. It's almost as if someone, or something, has been observing us, taking notes, deciding when to show itself and when to vanish. Almost as if they're monitoring the human story the same way we monitor wildlife, stepping in only when necessary. But where would they come from? Astronomers estimate billions of planets exist in the habitable zones of their stars. Life out there isn't just possible, it's statistically unavoidable. Yet the crafts people describe don't behave like anything from our universe as we understand it. Sudden accelerations, instant stops, movements defying inertia, angles no aircraft could survive. If these sightings are real, they're not traveling to us the way we travel to the moon. They're shifting into our space, as though space itself is flexible, a surface they can fold and unfold at will. Imagine a civilization thousands of years ahead of us. They wouldn't rely on combustion, rockets, wings, or propellers. They wouldn't even need to conquer distance. Their technology might bend gravity, manipulate space-time, or ride energy fields we haven't discovered yet. Their ships might not fly through the universe. They might slip between layers of it, appearing only when the conditions match their entry point. That's why most sightings begin the same way. A sudden flash, a silent arrival, no sonic boom, no heat trail. Just presence, and just as suddenly, absence. So why are they here? Curiosity? Surveillance? Something more strategic? Many witnesses describe the same eerie pattern. Sightings near military bases, nuclear facilities, satellite arrays, places tied to power, places tied to danger. It's as if something out there fears what we could become, or fears what we might unleash. But there are softer patterns too. Sightings near mountains, deserts, oceans, remote spaces, quiet places. As though their interest isn't just in what we build, but in the planet itself, our biosphere, our resources, our evolution. And maybe, just maybe, they're not here because of us, but because of something else. Something older. Something hidden. Some theories suggest Earth may not be their destination, but a waypoint, a rest stop in a network of cosmic routes shaped by gravitational corridors we haven't mapped yet. If that's true, Earth could be sitting on a kind of interstellar highway, a natural intersection of space that makes it the perfect place for travelers to appear, refuel, or simply observe. We aren't special. We're just conveniently located. But then there's the darker possibility. They've been here longer than us. Much longer. Imagine a civilization so ancient, so advanced, that our entire species is just a recent development on a planet they already knew intimately. Maybe they watched the first fires of early humans. Maybe they crossed paths with civilizations that vanished mysteriously. Maybe their footprints are buried under ruins we haven't uncovered yet. If they're not arriving from another planet, what if they're waking up from one beneath our feet? Dormant bases, oceanic caverns, hidden chambers melted into rock by technologies we can't reverse engineer. Sightings over water, glowing objects slipping into oceans without a splash, are some of the most unsettling of all. Not flying objects, submerging ones, moving underwater faster than our submarines. No heat signature, no propulsion, just direction and purpose. If they're here, they're not just in the sky, they're in the depths, the one place humanity still knows almost nothing about. So where is their home? Another star? Another dimension? Or right here? Maybe their home isn't one fixed place, but a network of points linked by physics we haven't mastered. Maybe they traverse wormholes like roads. Maybe each appearance is a reflection of a civilization that learned long ago how to fold reality like paper, making thousands of light years disappear in an instant. Or, and this is the theory that unsettles even seasoned researchers, they're not traveling in space at all. They're traveling in time. A future version of humanity returning to study the past, or to warn it. Every sighting, every encounter, every unexplained object could be a message from tomorrow. A message we're still too primitive to decode. Whatever the truth is, these sightings, these fleeting silent moments, are not random. They form patterns, they follow events, they align with places of power, trauma, change, growth. They appear when humanity stands at thresholds, almost as if someone is guiding the story without revealing the author. So the next time you look up at the night sky and feel that quiet pull, that sense that something is watching, maybe you're right. Maybe those lights aren't stars. Maybe they're windows. And maybe, just maybe, someone is looking back, wondering when we'll finally understand what they've been trying to tell us for thousands of years. And as long as people keep seeing what shouldn't be there, as long as the sky keeps opening at the edges, the question will remain, are we witnessing visitors, watchers, ancients, or mirrors of our own distant future? Whatever they are, they're not done with us. Not yet.